Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make my version of chicken achari. It is a very delicious dish. So let's start with the ingredients. So the first thing is I'll be marinating the chicken with the ginger, chili and garlic paste. Coat them really well, and I will keep this marination for 2 to 3 hours, or you can even keep overnight. Now let's prepare the chicken achari masala. This is the chicken achari masala. We'll be grinding them and we will be using them. So this is done. Let's start with making the curry. For this curry paste, I will be taking tomatoes. I'm taking here 1.5 tomatoes. And I'm taking here 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now we will make a paste of this, and this is done. Let's chop the ingredients for garnish. We'll be chopping the ginger. I would like to give a shout out to one of the channel. This is a channel by James Mackinson and he does some awesome Italian food. Do check out his channel. I'll be sharing the link in the description box. Next, let's chop the cilantro. Chop them up. Chop, chop, chop. And done. I'm taking here 2 chilies and I'm just giving them a slit. Now this is ready. Let's start cooking. I'm taking here mustard oil and I'll be adding the chicken pieces and frying it for some time. When we are using mustard oil, just beware because it has a very strong pungent flavor. So you want to cook the oil first before adding your ingredients. Otherwise they'll have a very strong pungent flavor. We'll be cooking this chicken for 5 minutes. These are done on both sides. They have a golden color on both sides. Now I'll be adding the prepared chicken achari masala. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chicken achari masala here. The quantity that I have taken has made around 3.5 tablespoons of masala, which I'll be using eventually again. One tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This adds a beautiful red color to the curry. You can even have normal red chili powder. And in goes the paste. I'll add some salt to taste, and then we'll cook this for 5 to 10 minutes until the curry is cooked, and so is the chicken. It's been 5 minutes. Let's see. Now I'll add one of my favorite ingredients, and that's kasuri methi. I just love this ingredient, and this enhances the flavor profile by leaps and bounds. I'm adding some more of the achari powder and we'll cook this again for 5 minutes. You can see this is done. The oil has separated really well and this is ready to serve. And there you go. My version of chicken achari is ready to devour. I like to eat it with some chapatis and they taste really good. Do try this recipe and let us know how you liked it. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching.